Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Emerson to Milledgeville to near Cheyenne, moving east-northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Rochelle,